These are the cute mini lipsticks. I don't know how am I supposed to show you. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi and today we are going to do unboxing of many cute lipsticks from Just Herb. You will see how cute they are anyway. So I buy this from Myntra and I think it's super cute and matte. This is what they claim. So let's give it a shot and let's try the shades they have. So let's start with the video. So these are the cute mini lipsticks over here and let's start with that because I cannot wait. Let's start with my favorite shade, which is soft pink berry. It's just so small and cute. I love it because I can actually carry this in my wallet. Like this is so mini. Let's see if this turns matte. With that, they also claim this is eco-friendly. I guess if they say that must be true. This is what my assumptions are. So if this gets dry on my hand, then for sure it is matte. I have put on lip balm because I don't want my skin to get dry, and it's anyway winter time. This is the color. So till this gets dry and turns matte, we will go on with another shades for swatch. So this is the shade Almond Glaze. This is the color because this is so soft as well. Like there is nowhere quality issues, and with that you can always see the shade you want to go with, and you can actually see the quite a difference in the shade. It's not like similar color. It's like proper in pink zone. This is in brown zone, and pink one has turned matte. As you can see, the shine is not there. Wow, this is so exciting. So next we are going with licorice brown, and let's watch it. It holds actually good amount of product, and I have applied some moisturizer. Oh my god, it has to be a joke. Oh, too close is it? This is proper brown. Oh, I love it. I love it. I don't think I have actually brown shades. Like I think I have like dark burgundy, but I don't think I have like proper brown shades. Nice. In cinnamon spice. Let's swatch it. Oh, this is little bit orangish shade. I have a lot of variety in this. That's really amazing. Like this is, we can say, is in cinnamon color, little bit lighter. So the another one we are going for is berry nude. This is the color, and let's watch it. Little bit lighter than this one. If I have to choose favorite in this shade swatch, I will go with Almond and Glaze because I don't have such shade and it's different. So this is the shade Almond Glaze that we have put on, and it has actually turned matte. Let's try it on. It's coming off, but it gives you the matte look, but it's not matte. I really love this lipstick because it's not like proper matte, because sometimes it converts into the matte and then it gets so rough and it actually comes off. It's not that. It's just like creamy but matte look. So I really love it. I love how it has turned out. So let's move on to the another shade. Trying cinnamon spice. So let's move on to another shade. This is the one which is licorice brown. It will get dry, it will turn into brown with just really pretty. I really love the brown. So let's go with another color. Let's put on the last shade for the day. It's the berry nude. The first one. I think I will definitely use all of these, and there are so many. I can literally carry them in my purse. And what's best than that? Seriously, if I have to be honest, I really loved it because of that. And in 500, I'm getting 5 different colors, which I can use for like 2 years for sure. And this is the perfect gift to give someone because they are mini, it can be carried anywhere, and this has different shades like pink, a little bit in orange shade which is cinnamon one, with also in like proper brown shade, and also like in middle with soft pink. You can see pretty cute mini lipsticks from Just Herb, which are eco-friendly and matte and so beautiful in variety. So next time we will see you with another video. I'm just hoping that next time we will go for unboxing of clothes. Hopefully, let's pray. And that's it for the video. I hope you loved the video. If you loved it, make sure you like and share and subscribe and comment as well. And if you want to shop this beautiful mini cute lipsticks of Just Herb, I will definitely mention the link of Myntra, so you can check out there and have a great and amazing weekend.